Okay, hi people. I told you I was going to come and let you see how to replace the headlamp assembly in a 1998 Dodge. This is a Ram 2500. One of the things I want you to realize before I do show you other stuff is that I've put these two screws and bolts, I drilled them into the bumper because this bumper guard has clips on the inside. And those clips came apart. So I'm going to show you that in a minute. But first we're going to look at the tools that we need to use for the job. So I use, and this is a Phillips bit, this is my impact driver, which makes things very simple. I also use this ability to use sockets with my impact driver. Okay. This is a universal joint. It's 3/8 inch. So it's universal socket, and this is for getting into an area that you're going to need it. An extension to use for the socket also. It's kind of a long extension. That's going to be really to your advantage. And then here is the socket size that you're going to use for the bolts that hold this on. And it's a 10 millimeter, as you can see right there. 10 millimeter. And you go slower when you go forward. Okay, and then we're going to use, we might need to use this to 5-in-1 tool, but we're hoping to be able to use this to pop some grommets out that holds the headlight in. You'll see when we get there. And then of course the trusted utility knife to open the package, which is over here. And here it is right here. And when you take it out of the assembly, you see it's a nice, beautiful, clear lamp. There's a light, the main light is already in there. There's a cover over the turn signal lamp. And so we'll take this off. That's good. And then it'll be right behind here. Okay, go ahead and stop there.